Hi, I'm Katie Jewart. I'm a career coach here at Calhoun Community College, and I'm going to talk to you about what to do now that you have taken your Focus 2 assessment for Orientation 101. There's several things that you want to do to follow up with Focus 2. One is to interpret and consider your results, and you might do that on your own, or you might do that with a meeting with a career coach, which I'll tell you about in a minute. And you also want to start, if you haven't already, researching your career options and exploring further to make the most of having taken this test. The Focus 2 is Holland Code based, so when we talk about interpreting your results, we're talking about interpreting your Holland Code and seeing what careers fit you based on that code. It is also sometimes called the RIASEC, which is an acronym that stands for Realistic, Investigative, Artistic, Social, Enterprising, and Conventional. And when you took the focus and you got your results, you probably noticed the bar graph that told you what percentage of your answers correlated to each of these different personality types. You can think of this as your work personality, and it's no surprise, but different careers are better suited to different personalities, and that's what this Holland Code helps you figure out. In plain English, the personality types are also called doers for realistic people, thinkers for those of us who are more investigative, creators for artistic folks, helpers for people who are more social, enterprisers are also known as persuaders, and conventional people are our organizers. Underneath that bar graph, you'll have a summary of what all of these things mean. And I think that reading through those is really helpful. You can start to see how those different personality types might work in different work environments. But if you're still not sure exactly what your Holland Code means, we hope that you will contact us, because it's at least partly our job, to help you figure out what those Focus 2 results are trying to tell you. So please, if you want to do that, send us an email at careerservice@calhoun.edu, and we can help walk you through those focus results. We can also help you with choosing a career or college path, and that goes for people who have no idea what they want to do. We can give you some tools to help you get started. Right down to people who are choosing between two similar options. We can help you figure out which one might be the most right for you. And then when you are ready to pursue those careers, we also do interview preparation and resume review. So make sure you're taking advantage of us. We are a free resource provided to you by Calhoun. After you have interpreted your results, you want to start looking into your career options. You heard in another video like this that there are 35,000 different careers out there. Instead of trying to read about all 35,000 careers and pick the one that sounds the best to you, it's better to use your Holland Code results to start figuring out where to dive in on those careers. Since we said different careers fit with different personality types better, if you know what your dominant Holland personality type is, whether you're an R, an I, an A, an S, an E, or a C, you can start looking at what careers go with each of those personality types. It can help you rule out and rule in careers that are better for you, worse for you. We want you to keep some things in mind. Not every career option that fits your code will be the right choice for you. For instance, social people are often drawn to helping professions. Nursing is a helping profession. Teaching is a helping profession. If you faint at the sight of blood, then one of those careers is probably a better fit for you than the other one. So just because it matches your Holland Code doesn't mean it's necessarily going to be exactly the right choice for you. And finding your career path is a long process. A lot of times we have people take these assessments and they expect that the test is going to spit out the one perfect job for them. That's not exactly how it works. You're going to get lots of different options, and it's still going to be up to you, and we'll help you with that if you need us to, up to you to figure out what career choice or choices are going to be the right ones for you to pursue. We also hope that you'll explore further. Focus 2 is a great assessment. It's scientifically based. It's easy to read and interpret. It doesn't take a long time to take the actual assessments themselves, but it's still not a great idea to rely on just one assessment. So consider taking other Holland-based assessments. You'll find one at mynextmove.org. You'll have access to a DISC assessment through your orientation class, And a lot of people are familiar with and like the Myers-Briggs test, which is also called MBTI, for Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. If you use more than one assessment, you can start to put the different pieces together and see where the overlap is. That can help you narrow down your career options. Congratulations on taking one of the first steps in figuring out what your right career is. We hope you'll take the next step by contacting us. If not, we wish you success in your career journey.